gonna make slime. Okay? Okay. Now, first, we need this borax. Okay? And we open this like this and put right here.
What's this?
This is a 50 milliliters water, and these are 60 milliliters.
見えないよ。ここしか見えないからね。
Okay, so let's do it. And this is the chopstick. One chopstick for mixing. Okay? Let's do this. Okay? First, a little bit like this, and a little bit. Stir first. Like this, and a little bit of more, and stir. A little bit of more, and stir, and do like this. Okay, I'm getting it.
I can help you.
Okay.
Hold the cup.
Okay.
Mixing.
Mixing. Fast. Slow. Fast. Slow. Fast. Let's mix. Yay. I think we can do it. And mix a lot. Mix like this. Is it done? It's done. Right? Okay. And then next, what do we do? Okay. This is the rendering paste, okay? And this is the hot water. And these are 60 milliliters, okay? And we pour this in here. Oh, this. So this is hot, so please be careful, okay? Oh, the chopstick too. First, we mix like this, a little bit, like this. I think if we touch it, it will be goopy. Okay? So a little bit more, and stir, more, and stir, and stir. I think this is goopy. I think this can be the best slime. Okay, it's done. So, okay, next, my mom is helping. Like this, a little bit more. And then we need this for here. No?
No, 上澄みだけ。
Okay, like that. Okay.
こんだけ。上澄みだけ。下の粉は拾わないで。
Okay. Like this. And put here. And mix. like this, and pour. No? Okay.
What did?
Yes. And mix, mix, mix. I think this is getting goopier. Like this. And stir. I think this. Wow. That's exciting. Very goopy. Wow. Wow. Next, go and mix. Wow. So goopy. Goopy, slimy. Oh, I think this is so goopy. Wow. Very goopy. Like mixing. Wow! It's getting goopier. Wow! Not that. Yeah, like this. Wow. This chopstick. Oh no, the chopstick. What? Why? 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 Mix, 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 mix. No, not this. Hey, why are you mixing those things? Good. Good. And stir a lot more. Goopy, so goopy. Let's see, okay? Wow! Very goopy. Goopy, 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 goopy slime. Wow! That's so goopy and interesting. Wow! Very goopy. I didn't think of that. That is so goopy. That's a slime. Wow! Interesting. Wow! Did you see that, guys? Oopsie. Here. Wow! Wow! So goopy! Wow! Wow! So squishy! Oh! But we have some lot of more steps. See? We have to put these sparkles in this goopy slime. Wow! Wow! Smash, 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 smash. Smash, 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 smash. Wow! Look. Wow! Look at these. Wow, I didn't think of this slime can be really goopy. Wow, this is so goopy and goopy stucky. And pour into my hand. Wow, look. Wow. And smash. Very slimy. Wow! Look at these. Like this. Bum 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 bum. Good. Smash. Smash, smash, smash. Smash. A little more. Like this. Okay? Wow! Look at these. Wow. How about these? No? All done? What? It's all done? What? That was very fun. Wow. Bye. I hope you enjoy. Bye bye everyone. Please subscribe to my channel. Yay!